Hey guys, welcome to BT21 series. In today's video, I'm going to create Tata inspired nail art. I'm starting my manicure by applying a base coat. To draw Tata, I'm painting a heart shape at the tip of my nail using a light red polish. To complete the heart, I'm drawing two oval shapes by brushing the polish downward from the center toward the tip of my nail. Next, I'm adding Tata's facial details including the eyes, eyebrows, lips and cheeks. I first used brown polish to add details, but the brown looked too light, which wasn't creating any contrast over red, so I changed it to black. Now I'm applying a dark blue polish as the base on my ring finger and thumb. On my ring finger, I'm creating a dotticure design using yellow polish. On my thumb, I'm going to draw Tata's heart-shaped planet. Since I used regular polish instead of stamping polish, the heart turned out quite transparent, so I applied a thick layer of red polish over it. Next, I'm stamping the ring around the heart using silver stamping polish. Then I'm applying a silver holographic glitter around the planet to make it look like stars. Finally, I'm sealing everything with a top coat to make the manicure shiny and long-lasting. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to share this video with your fellow BT21 lovers and subscribe to my channel so you never miss an update. See you next time. Bye bye.